Hello. Today we're going to talk about how to get on top of those roadblocks that you keep hitting in your business. The only way for us to do that is to be really laser focused on our goals, but we have to stay flexible within that, because if we're not flexible, then we can't make good decisions. So I've got 4 steps that I can share with you today about how to do that. So first of all, like I said, really know what your goals are for your business. And I do suggest that you maybe think about putting your goals not out a whole year, but actually creating shorter blocks of time so that it doesn't become so overwhelming. And then break all of those goals down into smaller pieces and celebrate it whenever we reach the next step towards reaching that larger goal. So that's how we are doing step 2. That's how we are building our action plan. We're taking our goal, we're taking it into all the little pieces. So what is it that we need to do? What are all the things that we need to do to be able to reach that goal? Write them all down. Decide what you need to do first and then what you need to do next, and celebrate each one of those steps as you complete it. As you go along, taking off these little steps that you're taking towards your larger goal, things might change. So you might discover something new. You might decide that you need to approach it in a slightly different way. That's absolutely fine. If we don't stay flexible, if we don't stay open to the other opportunities that are out there, then we can't find any creative solutions to the roadblocks that we come up against. So step number 4 is probably the most important thing when we are running our Pilates businesses, and that is really maintaining an open mindset. Something that is based on finding a solution for the problem, maintaining our curiosity, just like we have with movement, just like we have with our teaching strategies, because otherwise we can't keep moving forward. So like I said, you are going to hit those roadblocks. There's just no two ways about it. Just like we do with our movement practice, that we're working and working and working. It just seems like we're not getting anywhere. And it's frustrating. If you're working too hard, doing too many hours, putting too much effort in, you might even be on the road to burnout. You need to step back, think, really get clear on what it is that you want to achieve. And remember, your Pilates business has to serve you. So you can create your business in whichever way you want to. You don't have to do what somebody else has already done. If you get thrown off track, remember, what are your goals? Come back. It doesn't matter if you get taken off track. Sometimes it's really good, because then you really know that that goal that you set for yourself in the first place was exactly where you needed to be. So those roadblocks can sometimes actually provide us with some more opportunities. We just have to stay open to them. So it's absolutely fine if things don't go exactly the way you planned them, because that's all it is. It's just a plan. Let the reality help guide your plan so that it can be set in the now, so that it can really serve your business and serve the lifestyle that you want in the best way possible.